Beautiful Malta. Today in this video we are going to be finding out in our little Anomaly game show if normal people know how much CSGO skins are worth. So we are going to go to Valletta and ask people questions, and if they get the question right, they win 10 euro. But before then, Papa, I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Skins Monkey. On Skins Monkey, you can trade your CSGO skins and change up your CSGO loadout easily for new skins. They also have a 35% deposit bonus if you use code Anomaly right over here. That's not it. If you do your first trade, you can get a free $5 on the site by using code Anomaly right here. And that's not even all. They also have giveaways, which you can join for free here in the freebies tab. So once again, thank you very much Skins Monkey for sponsoring this video intro. Now, we're gonna go to Valletta. Okay, hello! We are joined today by...
Yes.
Yes, of course. Your job today is to guess the price of these skins. Now, have any of you guys played Counter-Strike Global Offensive?
Yes, a few times.
Do you know what skins are in the game?
Yes.
Okay, your job today in today's game show is to guess the price of CSGO skins. Every skin you guess right, the price, you win 10 euro. You said you were familiar with CSGO, so you kind of know what skins are?
A little bit,
A little bit, yeah. Basically, if you don't know, this is a skin. It's the color for a gun. Basically, this one's all black in-game, but you can buy it so it has a different color, and therefore it has a real life value. This is the first one, the P250 Sandu. My question is, how much do you think this skin is worth?
Not too expensive, I would say maybe 1.5.
1.5 euro?
50 cents.
50 cents? Is that the final answer?
Yeah,
50 cents?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with 70 cents.
70 cents?
Yeah.
This is free, it's just the basic skin.
Okay, you think it's free? And you?
Yeah, me too.
This one is actually 0.03 cents. I think that counts. I guess you split this one because I'll give you the win. That's basically free. So 10 euro, catching. I don't have any 10 euros on me, but I'll give you money at the end, I promise. It's quite far away, but still, I'll give you the win. Do you think it's good looking? No, me neither.
Just like crap.
Yeah.
We split them.
Okay, yeah, perfect. You'll still get the win. You knew it was very cheap, which is nice. Close enough. This is the second thing. This is a sticker. How much is this sticker worth on its own, not applied? Just the sticker.
Just a sticker.
Just the sticker.
$30.
$30, okay, and you?
For me, 50.
50, okay.
Expensive, I would say, like
Expensive?
around 280.
280, okay. And your guess?
20 euros.
20, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go with maybe $4.
$4.
€4.
Maybe trick question. Maybe it's higher.
15 euros.
15 euros.
90.
What's the final answer?
euros.
You should have went with him. This one is 110 euros. I'll count that as a win. This one is 110, which is quite a bit more than you guessed, but you knew it was way more expensive. I count it as a win. We are not that picky on this show. You wouldn't buy a sticker in real life for 110 euro?
Probably not.
Now, why would you buy one in a video game? Well, Chef, next skin you're guessing is this one, okay? This one looks very nice, very colorful. This is an M4A4 Emperor, field tested. You can see it looks very nice, right? A lot of colors. You really stick out in-game with this one. Now, how much do you think this one is?
450.
450? Okay, and for you?
400, yes.
400? Okay.
I say we go up to the next degree, like it went from like a dollar to 100. I say we go to like 1,000.
I wouldn't say 1,000. I would say
Canadian?
somewhere between 40 and 60.
40 and 60, and your guess?
1,000 Canadian.
1,000 Canadian. Are you from Canada?
Yeah.
Very nice. We went there recently to Toronto. Very beautiful.
Wow.
Das ist ultra geil.
Ultra geil.
400?
400?
Yeah, 400 euros.
400 final answer?
Yes.
Is it a trick question? Well, you don't know. I know, because I'm the game host.
My wild guess is 20 euros.
20 euros? Okay, I think I can give you the win for that. This one is 11.
Oh,
so
okay,
it's
so
a bit
that's
off,
off.
but you
Yeah,
were
that's
still
off.
in the same range. Unfortunately, I don't have any money, so I have to go to the bank account after this. This one is 11 euros only, even though it looks this good, right? Value for money compared to the shitty sticker. So, yeah, not really close. This one's only 11 euros. The sticker is 10 times more than this one. What do you think? This one is worth 10... Scam! That's quite a bit high. This one is only 11 euro. Huh? Trick question. After that, we have an M9 by a Doppler Ruby. This one is fully red. Oh, Papa has money. Nice.
Yeah, they love it, like something like that.
This guy seems to know what's up.
I know the red butterfly is so expensive.
He's got some insider knowledge. Very nice.
I've heard about this and I know it's ridiculously expensive.
Okay, that's good. He's got some insider
so
info.
I'm gonna go with 1,500.
1,500?
Yeah.
3,800.
3,800?
Really?
Okay.
Oh my god.
And you?
380.
380.
200.
200?
500.
500, okay.
350.
350, and what do you think?
Maybe 800.
Maybe 800? Okay, a little low. This one is 6,175 euro. I would say Peter here is a winner. This one is actually, it's not really, how much did you say? 3,000?
3,800.
3,800. No, this one is 6,175 euro. Would you buy this one? No.
Because it's rare.
Yeah, it's very rare, very rare. Final question. A StatTrak AK-47 case hardened minimal wear. You can see the top is fully blue, and that's considered rare. You said you played CS about 5 years ago. You probably remember this one.
I know if you have a lot of blue on it, you call it blue gem or something.
Yes, perfect. Ultra scripted. This guy knows too well.
I saw this on Twitter. I think they sold for maybe 150 now. I saw it from Owner Pixel.
Yeah, all the pictures.
People like that bayonet probably more, you know?
But it's a StatTrak blue gem. Blue gems are extremely rare.
Okay, I think it's more.
What do you think this one's worth?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000, it's a good.
10,000, it's good.
I say close to 10,000.
Close to 10,000. Okay, and you?
So 11,000.
11,000.
They can't be as much as the Doppler though. Yeah, maybe 1,500 on that one.
1,500.
120,000.
120,000. Okay, it's still a bit off, but I'll give you the win. This one is actually worth 250,000 euro. And that's without stickers. I think the one you're talking about with stickers is around 400,000. In real money, you can sell this one for around 200,000 euro. What would you rather have? A nice house or this one?
I'm gonna go with the house.
Yeah, probably a house, right?
I think we're in the wrong business.
Yeah. Das ist ultra nice. Thank you very much. I don't sadly have any 10, so I'll count that you get a 50. Ooh. You won basically all of them. We can say that's pretty good. It's fake money, don't worry. Thank you for joining. Hello! Now we're still in Valletta, surely, as you can see by the background. We just happened to find this nice masked man on the street here. We've found some genuine Maltese folk here to join the Anomaly show. So we're standing very close to the playground. Legally, I'm not allowed to, so we might change the background to something else. The goal of the game today is I'm going to be showing you skins in a video game, and you are going to be guessing how much they're worth in real money. And if you're correct, you win 10 euro. Wow. Have you ever played Counter-Strike before?
Yes.
You know the game?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. This is the first skin you're going to be guessing. This is the Glock 18 Candy Apple Field Tested. It has a real-life price, and I want you to guess how much that is. These guys are well versed in CSGO, so they know what skins are. Is it what it looks like in-game?
I mean, I think it looks so boring.
Like in the 30 cents range.
50 cent the wrapper.
I think it's like 25 euros.
25 euros, okay, and you?
Mela. This one is exactly 59 euros.
59 euros. The price of this one is 60 cents, so I'll give you the win. That was close enough. The fuck?
I was close.
I don't have any money on me, so this is a genuine scam. Next question. This is a Karambit Fade, and I need you to guess how much it's worth. Karambit Fade.
It's Vaporwave. They love Vaporwave. It's
Can I get a bit more technical?
Yes.
Is any sites used? Like
Any sites? Skins Monkey, the sponsor of this video. Thank you guys for sponsoring the video. Thank you.
700 euros.
I was gonna guess 600 euros.
600 euros.
1,800, 2,000.
Slightly off. You were closest. 1,750. What the fuck? You're so good. God. That's Next one. This is a op hyper base. This is what it looks like in game. Very beautiful skin. You see a lot of colors.
500.
500 for a field tested op hyper base, okay?
I think it's a scam. It's 240.
55.
55, okay, and
35?
35, okay, so final answer is
In the middle, 40.
this one is 25. You're close.
What? No way!
Next one, this is the Kato 15 Titan Holo. Now, you know, in real life, you can put a sticker on your computer case, whatever. It's like 10 cents. How much is a CSGO sticker?
And probably most of them used it. So it's like unused is hard to find. I think 2,200 euros.
And Mr. Man?
I think 10,000.
10,000.
That one's a big one.
I'm guessing 1,200.
2,500?
2,500. Okay, good job, guys, because you are dead wrong. This one is 415 euros, so you were quite far off the mark.
Titan Holo?
Yep. Unfortunate. We have one more question, though. The Titan Holo 2014. So the year before. Holy shit. POV, London 1942.
12,000.
12,000 euro.
12,500.
Ui, and you?
It's a dying game. 1,200 euros.
My dad just found a car key inside the wall. What the fuck?
If you're correct on the next one, you win a car.
Yes, Mr. Beast, I'm Mr. Beast. Whose car is it? I don't know, that's a felony.
About 70,000.
About 70,000.
think I remember.
In euro or dollar? Now the fighter pilots are, what the fuck? 70,000 you guessed, and you?
26.
26. And final answer then is?
65 to 70,000. I'm
Oh, Alpha Giga Chat! He shut on his guess. I'll give you the win. This one is 50,000 euro.
50,000.
I'm sorry, I think you guys performed the worst out of everyone.
Do you have more?
Yeah, we could have another one. So, you want the money for winning 3 questions correctly. Congratulations, that's very good. Hey, so now we're at my friend's house, Mr. Gecko here, and he brought his friend.
Leiden.
Lie down, lay down. I'm terribly sorry. The first skin we're gonna be looking at is the P250 Sand Dune. A very well-known skin, very famous. Do you think it's good looking?
No.
Not like me? Is this what short kings feel like?
Come here. One of the most dog shit skins ever. It's like literally nothing.
They're not gonna have any idea, I think.
They're from Norway.
12 cents. This is 12 cents.
12 cents.
12 cents?
Yes.
How much do you think this is worth then?
3 cents. 4 cents.
4 cents? He's right. Unlucky. This is 3 cents. I'll count that as a win. That's pretty good. I think these guys are gonna do the best by far, because I know Gecko, he knows CS, and I think Mr. Laydown also knows CS very good. The next skin we're gonna be looking at is, of course, the flammable foil. Yellow sticker, warning sign, dangerous, I do not consent. This is what it looks like in-game when you place it atop a USP.
It has like reflectiveness on it. Takes the value up. But I've never seen the skin before.
Like kind of
Yeah, it's kind of gay.
I pooped.
The shine is the only thing that can bring the value up. I don't think the sticker is special at all.
Hello.
Hello,
back.
you're back? Okay. Do you have a final answer for me? I saw you were thinking a lot.
110.
Okay, and you?
10 euro.
10 euro?
9 euros.
9 euros. Guys, congratulations! Yes! Because you are dead wrong. This one is 110 euro. Mr. Laydown might have the wrong number because it's 110. Did you search this before? We're getting arrested. They got called now. 2 terrorists in the park.
We are too close to the kindergarten.
Next one. M4A4 Emperor field tested. Now, very nice skin, very vibrant colors, you can see. How much does it go for?
Let's discuss.
That's a shit weapon, right? No one uses that weapon.
No, that's a good weapon. That's like one of the main weapons.
That's a good point.
Yeah,
Then
I think
worth
it's
more.
You take it really serious.
We need money, okay?
I think it's 150.
60.
35. 35, okay, and you?
65.
65.
175.
I don't think I can give the win for this one. This one is only 11 euro. Very, very cheap for such a good looking skin, right?
Might need to buy that.
Yes, very nice. Next skin you're guessing is the M9 Bayonet Doppler Ruby. It's fully red.
What was it called again?
No, you can't look it up. I see reaching.
Ruby Doppler.
Hey Siri, what's that?
65.
65 euro, final guess.
6,500.
6,500, okay, and you?
I'll go with the same.
Okay, I want to say 200.
375, let's go.
375? Almost. How are you so good? This one is 6,175. That is very close, so I'll give you the win for this one. Final skin you're going to be guessing is... This is a Stat Track AK case hardened minimal wear. Potentially a 661 scar pattern. This is what it looks like in game.
It's like so much blue as well. It's something insane with it. Does it have a float? Is it like 667 or something?
Are you thinking about the pattern?
Yeah, the pattern.
The
maybe.
pattern is 661.
Okay, so this one is the most expensive skin in the whole world. I swear. I swear. Yeah,
You
for
take
sure.
this one, you take this one.
Mr. Laydown, how much do you think this one is worth?
150k. 110.
Let's say 10,000.
10,000 euros? But he's had this one.
Yes.
Look at him.
And look at it. I want to say more, but I'm
12,000.
traumatized now because
12,000.
I've been wrong all of the time. 12,666.
You are quite far off. The approximate price that I think it would sell for right now is around 200,000 to 300,000 euro. This one is very, very rare.
Is it only one in the game or what?
No, there's quite a few, but many of them are either trade locked or
Ah,
in
yeah.
dead YouTubers' inventory or just lost to time. It's a very, very expensive skin.
So where's my money? My 10 euros.
High five! Thank you for playing in the Anomaly show. I just touched myself. I didn't wash my hands before, so.
Yes.
Yes?